Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will be learning image processing using OpenCV library in Python. So basically, we will be drawing some shapes on an image, and we will write some text also. So let's start with it. So first of all, we will import OpenCV library, and we will also import NumPy. Now we will read the image using cv2 dot imRead function, and here I have to specify the path of the image. Now we will show this image using cv2 dot imShow, and first argument will be the name of the image. And now wait key, because it means that the image will be shown until or unless we don't press any key. So last will be destroy all windows. As soon as we press any key, all windows means all the images which will be opened will get closed. Now if I run this, you can see we can read this image, we can see. And now we will draw some shapes. So for that, first of all, I will be drawing a rectangle. So first argument will be image which I will be using, and next argument will be the starting point, means from where the rectangle will start, and it will be x and y coordinates, so you can specify randomly, it's up to you. Next argument is the color which we want to use while drawing the rectangle. So the color will be in the form of RGB, red, green and blue. So it's up to you with what type of values of RGB you want to use. And then the last argument will be the thickness of the rectangle. And now if I run this, you can see the rectangle has been drawn, and you can change these arguments for changing the color, and you can change this argument for changing the thickness, and these coordinates can also be changed to shift the rectangle. Now next we will be drawing a circle. So for that, cv2 dot circle, then the same first argument is image, next is the center of the circle. So here I can specify, I will use this 180 comma 160 as a center. Okay, no, I think I should change. Yeah. Now next argument is the radius. So here I will be using 80, and next is the color which we want to use. So now last argument is the thickness. So if you specify thickness in negative, like here I specify -1, then it means it will color or it will fill the circle with that color which you have specified here. So let's see. Now you can see the circle has been drawn and it is full of the color because of the argument -1. And if you specify 1, so you can see its thickness is too low. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I will increase the thickness. Now you can probably see what is been drawn here. So in this same way you can draw other shapes also. You can draw any polygon and other shapes like a square or triangle. It's up to you. So now I will put some text on the image, and for that I first of all I have to choose font for writing the text. So I will use font. You can choose any font. Here I am using font Hershey's Simplex. You can go through the documentation and see what options are available, and you can change according to it. Now we will be using cv2 dot put text function. So first argument will be same, the image, and second is the text which we want to put on the image. So like I want to write hello. So now here I have to specify the coordinates or points from where I want to start my text to be written. So like you can use here I am using this, and here we will specify next argument will be the font which we have chosen, and next is the size of the font. So here I am choosing 4, and next is the color which we want to use to while writing this text. So next is the thickness of the text. So here I am using 3. Last is cv2 dot line a. And now if I run this, there is an error. Okay, so now if I run this, you can see hello has been written here, and in the same way you can write any text here, and in this same way you can draw other shapes and you can write any text on an image. So you can go through the documentation of the OpenCV library, and that's all for now. So thanks for watching.